I know.
Why was Mom getting here?
Put them down, please, in school.
Oh, well. That's our dream that we've had since year 7.
We need
the fire brigade
French rooms to blow up.
And then the language blocks blow up.
Oh, you just blocked my thing.
Oh, there you go, you're right.
In class? Wait. Lovely.
Think they'll let me try on the hat?
Anyway, that was funny. Oh wait, fire engine. We got a really good view of it.
Oh, this is the year 7's first year Halloween day. Where are the year 9s? Oh, they're right back there where I forgot where further down. Yeah. Oh, that means it's still a year between 7s and 8s.
And then 9's right down there, 10's and 11's.
Where are the 8s? Oh, there's never a gap.
Oh my god! Shall we ask someone? Give them an interview. What do you think about the man? I know.
Ask me.
No, we're still filming. It's just paused, so we can get loads of interviews. Where's Alex Roundtree? Is he under there? Hey,
Roundtree. We want an interview for our fire report. What do you think, Jenny?
This is so going on YouTube. Who else should we interview?
Lucy.
Yeah.
Lucy.
Do you like an interview?
We want an interview. Something's happening.
Oh, a speech! What? Oh, we need to get Chidway.
That means somebody deliberately set fire to something in the languages block.
We'll
I
find
want
out.
you all to know that the police are going to be involved. There will be a full investigation. And obviously, if anyone has anything that they would like to share with us before the end of the day, that would be very useful. But I won't be letting this rest. You've been very good, can I say, to the school. I'm really proud of you. And I don't want to think that there is anybody in the school that would do this. Fire brigade secured the building. I'm going to let you go back in. Finally.
Which luckily the languages block is closed.
So we're still
Wait, tell us what happened, Claire. Tell us what happened. Hello. The camera's off now.
Sorry, watching that.
Oh wait. Last time we were in there, we saw the toilet filled with the stuff.
Last time we were in
Wait, I'm not done yet.
That's, can I call the ins out? For...
Oh wait, say that again. Oh wait, do that again.
Oh, it means you can still get the spread. It was a fire.
Hang on.
I've
got...
Stay right, Ben.
Hang on.
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
That's us on fire.
Oh, I am.
Who is it?
Jessica.
Thank you. She needs to get the paper ready.
Should we go interview a fireman?
No, I don't think so. Cameron, you look like a...
I don't know. Oh, damn it.